Dear students, this is the next problem under fund flow statement where some few adjustment is there. Here you have to open or you have to follow all the 3 steps to prepare or to compute fund flow statement. Okay, so let us go through the problem first, then we will go for the solution. From the following balance sheet of a concern, prepare fund flow statement. Liabilities 2008-2009, assets 2008-2009, goodwill 30,000, 25,000, plant and machinery 60 and 50,000, current assets 16 and 19,000, share capital under that profit and loss account 34,000 and 26,000, current liabilities 12,000 and 3,000, total 1,09,000 and 94,000. See, current assets go for the first current assets and current liabilities has to be entered. Then other items to be entered gradually. Okay. Now, additional information: depreciation of rupees 20,000 on plant and machinery was charged to profit and loss account. Then dividend of rupees 12,000 were paid during the year. Okay. So these are the information given. When any adjustment is given, when the particular account or particular account is there in the assets and liability, then you have to open the working note for that. Okay, that I will explain you while doing the problem. Now, what is the first step for fund flow statement? The first step is you have to prepare a statement of changes in working capital. So we will go for that solution. See, statement of changes in working capital. Now, statement of changes in working capital, you can find current assets, current liability, working capital. You have to draw first 4 columns, 2008 to 2009. Changes in working capital, the increase and decrease. Okay. Now, first is A, current assets. Now, you have to write all the current assets in this under current assets. Now, if you check in this problem, you have only one current asset. See, there is no other items, only current assets. This means all the current assets is included in this. That is 16 and 19,000. So write the amount is 16 and 19,000. Now find out the difference. The 16 and 19, what is the difference? The difference is 3,000. Okay. Now what happened? Whether it is increased or decreased from 16 to 19,000, there is an increase. When there is an increase in current assets, you have to write in the increase in working capital. So there are 2 columns, increase and decrease. So difference you will write in the increase column because the current asset has increased. Okay. So write the difference 3,000 in the increase column. So no other assets available, only one item. Now we will write current liabilities. Now what are the current liabilities in this problem? Now we have current liabilities, see, 12 and 3,000. Okay. So come here 12 and 3,000. Now here also you have to compare whether there is an increase or a decrease. There is a decrease from 12 to 3,000. But when current liability decreases, you have to write in the increase column. Here just the opposite rules. Okay. Increase in the current liabilities result in a decrease side. If there is a decrease, you have to write in the increase side. So see, from 12 to 3,000 there is a decrease, but I have written the difference in the increase column, that is 9,000. Okay. So that is the one thing you have to remind. Current asset as it is. Increase means increase, decrease means decrease. Current liability just opposite. If it is increase, write in the decrease column. If it is decrease, write in the increase column. Okay. Now working capital. Working capital is the difference between A and B. That is 16 minus 12,000, that is 4,000. 19 minus 3,000, that is 16,000. Now you have to find out the difference. That is first what you do is, here it is 4,000, here it is 16,000. Which one is more here? 16,000 is more. So you write here, you leave 2 lines and write the total amount 16,000. The same amount here also you write 16,000. Now here 4,000, here 16,000. Now what is the difference here? 16 minus 4, 12,000. So here you write 12,000. Okay. After writing 12,000, you see whether there is an increase in the working capital or decrease in the working capital. There is a increase. So write here increase in the working capital 12,000. Okay. So 12,000. then the total is the same 16,000 and 16,000. Here also you will get the you have to total and find out the difference. Okay, so which side is more, increase side is more, 9 plus 3 12,000. Here nothing is there, so write the 12,000 and then total both the sides. Okay, so this is a net increase in the working capital. Okay, after that now you have to see the adjustment. If there is any adjustment related to any assets or any items, then you have to open the account and find out the difference. Okay, now go to the current assets and find out the difference. So the current assets now if you see the information. Depreciation of rupees 20,000 on plant and machinery was charged to profit and loss account. Now what happened is you have to open the plant and machinery account, charge the depreciation and find out the difference whether it is a purchase or a sale of plant and machinery. So I have opened the account. See, plant and machinery account, we will open with the opening balance, that is 2 balance brought down, last year's balance, that is 2 balance brought down, that is 60,000. See this amount 60,000, plant and machinery 60,000. Then you write what is a depreciation. Depreciation is an expense, so it will come in the credit side. By depreciation 20,000. Okay, now nothing is there. Now by balance carried on, this is a closing plant and machinery 50,000. Right here 50,000. Okay, after that find out the difference. The difference will be to cash or by cash. Okay, so if here the total is more, 50 plus 20 70,000, the difference is 10,000. So you will write here 2 cash purchases, that is 10,000. Okay, 2 cash purchases 10,000. Now depreciation will come for the adjusted profit and loss account and cash will go for the fund flow statement. Okay, so next we will go for the opening the second step of fund flow statement, that is adjusted profit and loss account. Okay, so we will go for the next one. See, adjusted profit and loss account. Adjusted profit and loss account is nothing but you have to write the profit and loss account balance. Profit and loss account is a credit balance, so we will begin with the buy balance brought down. See here profit and loss account 34 and 26. This is opening, this is closing. Okay, so right here 34,000 opening balance 34,000. After that you have to go through the problem and find out is there anything which is other than funds from operation, like other than non-operating expenses, like other than raw materials, labor and production expenses, any other expenses are involved are called as non-operating expenses. So if there is non-operating expenses, you have to write in the debit side. If there is a non-operating income, you have to write in the credit side. Now we will check one by one the problem. See, goodwill. Goodwill, there is a decrease. So decrease means there is a written off. Written off you enter in the profit and loss account, which is non-operating. So go to the adjusted profit and loss account and write 2 goodwill written off 30,000 minus 25,000 5,000. Okay. Now come to the another item, plant and machinery. In the plant and machinery, either the depreciation or if there is any loss or profit we have to enter. So we have opened one account, see here, where depreciation is there 20,000, which is an expenses. So come here to depreciation account 20,000. After that, check the problem. See, goodwill is over, plant and machinery is over. Current assets will not come anywhere, it will be entered only once. Now next is the share capital. Share capital will not come, it comes in the fund flow statement. Next, profit and loss account, this is we have already taken. Now come to the adjustment, depreciation is already taken. Dividend of rupees 12,000. When anything dividend is paid, everything it be entered in the profit and loss account. Okay, so which is not a operating expenses. So we have to write in the debit side dividend paid. Dividend paid. Dividend paid. So go to the problem and write down dividend paid 12,000. Okay. After that, write the closing balance. All the adjustment is over. The closing balance is 26,000. Closing balance is 26,000. See here, I have written closing balance 26,000. Now you total and find out the difference. The difference is called as funds from operation. Okay. So 63,000 here, 63,000. What is the difference? Difference is funds from operation, that is 29,000. 29,000. Okay. So this will come for funds from operation. Next we will go for a fund flow statement. Sources, application. Okay. So heading is sources, inflow, rupees, application, outflow, rupees. Now here we enter all the inflow and outflow of cash other than current assets. In the fixed assets, if there is anything purchase or sale, okay, all this we enter here. So we will go here and see is there any plant and machinery. See, plant and machinery, there is a purchase to cash. Purchases means outflow. So go come here, purchase of plant and machinery, therefore working note 10,000. Okay. Then after that goodwill is already written, this is over. Share capital. Share capital directly go for the flow statement. You have to check whether it is an inflow or an outflow. When it is increase means inflow, cash comes in. So inflow means issue of shares, 65 minus 60,000, it is 5,000. Okay. Then come to the adjustment. Depreciation is already written, it will not come here. Plant and machinery purchase is already written. Now next is dividend paid. Dividend paid is an application. So come to here and write dividend paid 12,000. Application side dividend paid 12,000. Okay. After that everything is over. Then you go to the first net increase in working capital. This we have to enter in the last statement. See, here we have to write in the outflow. When there is an increase means cash goes out. So increase in working capital 12,000. Next, funds from operation. See, funds from operation is nothing but inflow of cash. So funds from operation we have to write here 29,000. This amount 29,000. Now you total both the sides. Both the side total should be balanced. Then your answer is correct. Here it is. 29,000 plus 5,000, it is 34,000. Here 20 plus 12, then here 12,000, it is 34,000. Okay, so this is how we have to open a fund flow statement. Here the adjustment was there, few adjustments, so we have to open here account of plant and machinery. So 3 steps was statement of changes in working capital, adjusted profit and loss account, and the funds from operation. Thank you.